This is the Rio Felix at the YO crossing. I'm looking north, and this is where it had jumped its banks last Wednesday, or I believe it was September 12th. That was the date when it flooded. Again, looking north, I'm panning right. Look at all the debris, the fence line. It's flowing again this morning from yesterday's 6-inch rainfall, 16 Springs Canyon in the Cloudcroft area. I'm looking back south at the bridge, panning southwest and west. And looking back northwest, coming back around north. Looking east at the Rio Felix, flooding this morning. Panning back south and coming around west.